Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic life cycle in algae. Life cycle. The growth and development consist of distinct morphological and cytological changes. These changes is called as life cycle. It is the sequence of all different phases or events through which an organism passes from a diploid zygote of one generation to the zygote of next generation. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel. You can see here the logo of Botany with YouTube. Types of life cycle. There are mainly three types of life cycle reported in algae. Number 1, haplontic type, diplontic type, haplodiplontic type. Haplodiplontic type, they are biphasic and triphasic. Biphasic are isomorphic and heteromorphic. Triphasic are haplobiontic and diplobiontic. Haplontic life cycle, most common type of life cycle in algae. It is most primitive and simplest type of life cycle. Life cycle is diphasic. The prominent phase is haploid gametophytic phase. The diploid phase in the cycle is represented by the zygote. Zygote is formed by the fusion of haploid male and female gametes. Zygote immediately undergo meiosis to produce haploid zoospores. Zoospores germinate and grow by mitosis to produce the haploid gametophytic stage or gametophytic generation. Gametophytic plant produce male and female gametes by mitosis. For example, Chlamydomonas. You can see here in diagram haplontic life cycle, gametangia, male and female gametes, fertilization or conjugation occur, then zygote formation, meiosis in zygote condition, haploid nuclei, then zoospores forms, zoospore germination, and then spirogyra plant body will be formed. Diplontic life cycle. This type is just a reversal of the haplontic type life cycle. In this diphasic life cycle, but the prominent phase is diploid sporophytic phase. Haploid gametophytic phase in the life cycle is represented only by the gametes. Here gametes are produced in the gametangia by meiosis. Moreover, zygote do not undergo meiosis, rather it develop into a diploid sporophytic phase by mitosis. It is the life cycle of diplontic gametangia, meiosis, then two type of gametes are produced, male and female, fertilization, then zygote formation occur, then exospores, and then diatom structure will be formed. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel with your friends, with your colleague, as well as other researcher and students. Haplodiplontic life cycle. It is a life cycle which is diphasic. One phase is haploid gametophyte and other phase is diploid sporophyte. Sporophytic plant produce sporangia which produce haploid zoospores by meiosis. Zoospore develop into haploid gametophytic generation. Gametophyte produce gametes. Male and female gametes fuse to form the diploid zygote. There are two types of haplodiplontic life cycle. Number 1, isomorphic. Number 2, heteromorphic. Isomorphic is a gametophytic and sporophytic phase are morphological similar. Heteromorphic, in this gametophytic and sporophytic phase are morphological dissimilar. You can see here in diagram how zygote formation occur. Sporophytic body produce, meiosis occur, spores are produced. Spores fallen down on ground and produce gametophytic body. Gametophytic body again produce gametes and gametes have ability to fuse with each other and form zygote body. Haplobiontic life cycle. Here the life cycle is triphasic, means 3 phases, 1 diploid and 2 haploid phases. The 3 phases are gametophyte phase, it will haploid phase 1, zygote, diploid phase, carposporophyte phase, haploid phase 2, gametophyte phase produce haploid gametes. Male and female gametes fuse to form zygote which is diploid. Zygote upon reduction division produce haploid spores which germinate into a intermediate haploid phase called carposporophyte. Carposporophyte reproduce asexually by carpospores. Carpospores germinates and develop into haploid gametophytic generation. You can see here an haplobiontic life cycle. Like our channel Botany with YouTube and share with your other friends, colleagues and researcher. Diplobiontic life cycle, most complex and advanced type of life cycle in algae. Life cycle is triphasic with 1 haploid phase and 2 diploid phase. The life cycle include carposporophyte, diploid, gametophyte, haploid, tetrasporophyte, diploid. Diploid zygote develop mitotically to diploid carposporophytic phase. Carposporophyte produce diploid carpospores. Carposporophyte germinate into diploid tetrasporophyte phase. Tetrasporophyte produce haploid tetraspores by meiosis. Tetraspore germinate into haploid gametophytic generation. Gametophytic generation produce male and female gametes. Gametes fuse to form diploid zygote. Thus, in haplodiplontic life cycle, 2 diploid phase alter with haploid gametophytic phase. Rhodophysae as example. Haplodiplontic life cycle you can see here in diagram. Thank you so much to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.